Hey buddy, I'm here and today I am gonna continue on what is it called again? The battleship I just made. And yeah, let's just do it. So, load game, building world, just get into it. Du kan inte spela det där. How should that work? How should that? No. This way. Du kan inte spela det. So yeah, let's just get into it. Yeah. Nu kör jag spela det här. Känns väl där. So yeah, here we are. Yeah, in my world. And let's get into the battleship here. Battleship. My battleshipper. Shipper. And yeah, as I say to you guys, this is a Norwegian ship. And yeah, this is just a random ship I made. So yeah, please don't ask about what the name of the ship is and stuff because I don't know what that. And I'm here with my twin brother. Yeah. So I don't think he's so happy today, but yeah. How are you? It doesn't seem like you are. But because I'm not well. That's alright. You don't have to be in this video. I don't want to. It's okay. Alright. Let's see. Moving. Come on. And please leave a comment down below how to use this what's it called again? The paintable sign. Please let me know how to do this. Or is it like this? Maybe. Do I have to use this one no, or I don't know how to use it, so please leave a comment down below how to do that. But, yeah. Wait, sure. Yeah, we are just talking about he just asked me about how I am like doing like comment down below and stuff. I'm doing that, but my father learned me how to do it. So yeah, because I wanted yeah, but why there? Looking actually pretty good at far, is it? So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and click that bell. Then you are gonna know when my new videos are gonna come out. So yeah, maybe do that too. Boom boom boom. So quiet here, and I'm gonna do like that, and I'm gonna do like this. Yes. So like that. Gonna take one more. Yes, I can. Can take one more. Yes, I can. How can I? No, I can. I can't. So, oh my god, I hate this. It's my block. Can we do that? That is much better. There we go. Looking pretty damn good. So, looking pretty so good. If you guys want to know what so means, then leave a comment down below and like the video. So there we go. Take wall bath. Yeah, who cares? Let me see. Shoot. Fuck. Shoot, didn't mean to say that. Come on. There we go. And so I need this one. That on top of there. On top of it. There we go. And one on top of here. Ready, and this. This. Wait. There we go. Come on. There we go. Looking pretty damn good. And let's try to build a cannon. First I need to find the what? What's it called that? No. Where is it? It's this one. Oh, it's pivots, not pivots. Oh my god, damn son, I feel so stupid. And that. Oh my fucking god. Like that. I just made it. Did you guys see that? I made it. I did it. Yay. And let's take a darker green for this. And let's build that cannon. They can hear it. I know. So why do we do that And yesterday, yeah, I want to tell them that we didn't just yesterday. So
It was nothing.
yeah, that's nothing. Don't think about it. Don't think about it, dude. Don't think about it, dude. This is gonna be some huge cannons. This is gonna look ugly, right?
No.
It is gonna do that. Leave a comment down below if you think this is ugly. Ugly bagly. Because I think this is gonna be ugly. Ugly bagly. Ugly bagly. Please like the video. Do it. Not hear at him. Like the video.
Don't like the video.
Why not?
Because I not will make a video.
Yeah, but who cares? Who cares about that?
Boring.
Your mom do.
Don't care.
Alright. And don't care about I'm making a video, so yeah. He just want to go.
To some friend.
Yeah. Go to a friend then.
I want to go to a birthday party.
Birthday party.
Not a birthday party, it's a normal party.
Yeah, go then. Doesn't have to be in a video.
Oh wait,
Why?
because
My
friends say you need to be with me on the party. And I say, why? He's my little brother.
You're not my little brother. I'm not your little brother.
You're my little brother.
No. I'm your twin brother.
I'm not. Huh?
So yeah.
But I'm older than him. I'm 89,000 years.
Alright.
What's that?
We're not.
Oh.
Okay. There he just died there.
Hey, what you do, bro? I have a stuck.
Ouchie. Ouchie, ow.
Boy, not. I have going on taekwondo. Ah.
Me too. Shut up. Shut up, old man.
I'm actually not. I'm not.
He's not. He's lying.
I'm
You
not.
liar. You are a liar. He's a liar.
I'm not a liar.
You are a liar.
I'm not.
No, you're 8. Don't tear on it. Don't tear on him.
How would I have
He-
birthday?
He is actually 7 years old.
7?
I'm 8.
I'm older than you,
No.
bro.
You're not.
I'm older than you.
Why do I have pieces and not you? Pieces? Get away from me!
What's pieces? I have 6-pack.
Get away. Get home. Stop it. I don't like you.
Go home. This is my home.
It's not.
You don't like me?
No.
I can kill you if I will.
No, you can't.
I can if I will.
Nope.
If I will.
Nope.
If I were.
Nope. Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. Shut up. He called me a bitch. Mom! My twin brother called me a bitch.
Say what you will. He's never gonna think that's true.
I'm gonna call the police.
Call the police is your word.
Alright.
No. No.
Alright, let me see the police. Police. That, let me see. Yeah, hello. My twin brother just called me a bitch, and yeah.
We're not gonna do something with that.
Yeah.
We're not gonna do something with that.
Yeah. Bye.
They can't do something with that. I hear it.
No, that was you just say that. They can. They're gonna come in like 1 minute. So if you want to live, you need to hide. Ding dong. No, they're here.
Okay, open the door.
Open the door.
Okay.
Oh, hello, my friend. Hey, it is me.
Wait, you can come with us.
It was me. It was him. It was me on the phone.
You lie. It was
No.
me. It was him. Come with me. Dude,
No,
come
bitch.
come with. What'd you call me? I have my gun here.
Let me see.
Oh, detective.
Get away. It was me. I swear.
No, it was you. Come with us.
It was me.
It's not true. Yeah, that's true. It was him. That's me.
I can actually kill you guys. I can kill.
What you say?
I can kill you.
I call the military. Toot, toot, toot. Hello, we have a boy here. They want to kill his twin brother. And that's two twin brothers.
What?
It was twin brothers?
Yeah, he's a twin
or
brother.
triple brothers.
What do you mean?
Oh, okay. Toot, toot, toot. Yeah, it's some twin brothers. The one gonna kill him. Good. You be here in like 1 minute. Good. I want to wait here with you.
You know what? I'm gonna kill the fucking military.
They have snipers. They headshot you.
But you know what?
Ding!
I have a tank. I swear, I have a tank.
That's a toys.
No, it's not.
I believe that's a toys. But the military is it. Yeah, you should. Wait, dude! Get out the room.
Why?
Get out the room.
Why?
Get out the room.
Why?
Because you are arrested.
Why? 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 I haven't did anything.
I know you have.
It was him.
No.
He called me a bitch.
You called him.
No, I swear it was him. If you try to kill me, I swear you're gonna die.
No, it was you.
It was me. I swear it was me. So, why If it was me, why would I build a warship for you, the military? Why?
That's not for me.
That's for the military. Why will I build a battleship? The best I can.
That's ugly.
I don't like you.
Hey, dude, not call him ugly. You are ugliest. Okay, try to kill me. Too slow. Too slow. Again. Oh, what? Oh, shit.
LOL.
Oh, shit. I
LOL.
want to kill you. Okay, try and kill me. There you go.
Yay!
Police.
He just died.
Yeah. I'm the best at weapon. Is that a cannon?
Yeah,
It was a really long one.
I know. But the cannons are
Is
long.
that to me?
Yeah.
Thanks.
So yeah.
You know, my twin brother have a girlfriend.
No.
You have a girlfriend.
I'm stupid.
Please have a girlfriend.
I have.
I have.
Cool. Is this actually a clock? I have a clock here.
Can we go home? Can we go to the party?
Not really, actually, now. Then stop! It hurt my feelings. With who? Alright. So, let me see here. What we're gonna build? I don't know what we're gonna build. So, yeah. Can you move your foot? Thank you. Ah, come on!
What?
Your foot is in my way. Let me see. So, let me see here. Let me see what we just got here. Like that. Pretty good. Do that mean? Wasted. Worth it. Let me see. Get down here now. Yeah, let's see.
And don't get click a like on this video, subscribe, and
We are not done. He's kidding. We are not done.
I want to go to the party.
Yeah, go to the party.
You want to be? My friends say it.
What?
My friends say you want to be with me.
I don't want to.
Why? or no?
Because they lied.
You know, we'll have cake and
No, I don't.
cookies and muffins and
I don't want.
ice cream.
I don't want.
What's your best?
I don't know.
You can take all thing you will. It's not. You don't want to have money.
Let's see.
But
I said I need a winch. Here it is. I need a winch because I'm gonna make the anchor. And that's gonna be like here.
That looks like a can.
A cannon,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not.
It looks like it. But you look like more like a can.
Really? Let me see, I need a wait. Let me see. Let's do it like that. This, I think. I know this looks ugly, but
No, that was cool.
was it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
I'm not a man.
You are.
I'm a little stupid boy.
Why?
I'm a little stupid boy.
Oh, alright.
What?
I need. Wait, what? Ah!
Oh.
I just need some ladders so we can get up on the boat. The boat here. So, but this a little bit more funnier now.
Oh my god, stupid.
What?
Stupid beep.
Who is that?
You destroy the boat.
Yeah, because I want some ladders there. So you can get them top on of the boat. I'm not that stupid.
You destroy it. You destroy it. You destroy it. You destroy it.
No?
Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy.
I didn't destroy it. Shut up.
Comment below if you think that song was ugly.
Alright, I'm gonna see. I want to comment down below. I say it was ugly.
Okay.
Isn't that alright?
I can send you out from YouTube.
You can. But no, I'm not gonna do it. What is this? I know what it is.
Ugly, stupid thing.
Yeah, it is. But this thing here is not ugly.
What?
The shipper isn't ugly, right?
No.
You're a good person.
But I am uglier.
You aren't.
I'm ugly. You know I'm ugly.
This ship here is uglier
Comment
than
below
you.
if you think I am ugly.
Alright, I'm gonna comment down below and see and say no.
Comment down below and say yes. Because I am the ugliest dude in holy freaking world.
Why do you think so? Because you think so. Oh my god. Yeah. It's a very small cannon, I know.
Is that a 89 years man?
I don't know.
Can I see his face?
Yeah, why not? He don't have eyes. But you can barely see him. See his eyes. So yeah, here's the cannon. Nice cannon. And yeah. I know what that sound was. So yeah. Wait, I know something I need. I need a stupid handle. Huh? Yeah. Just wait. My mom is screaming at me again. Again. Hi.
I'm back. We're not gonna go away from you guys. Like, I don't wanna go back away from you. It's the oldest man here. I'm 9. It's true. I'm 9. If you say I'm not 9, you are. Yeah. I'm upside. I'm upstairs. I think. Where is the boat? Wait a second. Yeah. Yeah. are back.
Yeah, we're back.
What?
Kom on, So yeah,
I think the boat is deleted. Okay,
it isn't.
good.
But
I mean, not good.
why?
I will go to the party.
I need a handle. Handle.
Honey.
So, ow, that hurt. So. Let's see. Just get a handle on top of there, and when we spawn it in now, like that. What?
Like to the party. I made it.
So,
This is so good.
So, when I am going up here, and are getting up here, like this. I don't know what it is, like nighttime right now, but let's fix that. And no, we have a beautiful anchor. Like this, isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, eh? Is it?
What is that?
It's an anchor.
It looks like a key.
How?
If you take it this way.
Yeah. Bucket here. But
Hey doggy.
my doggy is here now.
And my
So,
doggy.
it's my doggy.
It's mine.
You don't have a doggy.
I have 3 dogs.
You don't
For
like
my
doggies.
money.
You don't like doggies.
I like doggies.
Stop it. Stop it. I mean stop it. Come on. What have you done? Fuck you. Nice. Let me see. But that's like enough of this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed and
Subscribe and get a big thumb up.
Get this video a big thumb up.
Much bigger and
Much bigger and a big. So see us. I see you in the next one.
Explore big. Subscribe and bye.